Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem your gift card on your Xbox One. Just go up to the top right here and go to the store on the home screen. And then on the left side there should be an option to redeem your gift code. So let's just look at this. I'm going to go to Not Now. And then just scroll on down, and right here under Cart we have the option to redeem. So do not redeem, or redeem right here. Type in your 25 character code, and then you can go to the bottom right and go to this little arrow option, and you should be able to redeem it. And you can check the money on your account now. That should show up once you redeem it. And if you look in the top left, there's my information right over here somewhere where my hand is, and you can see I have money on there, and then you got like Microsoft reward points or something on there too. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.